everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So I have some dolly mail that I ordered for my two smart dolls. I thought first I'd go ahead and show you what they're wearing now, and then we will open up some doll mail for them. So here we go. We got who I call Ella here. Move this out of the way. So Ella's got a hat on. I just had this left over from something I did at school. But she's wearing a dress that I put together. It's not completely perfect. It's sort of a prototype. But basically I'm trying to make my own patterns. And I thought the bigger dolls might be easier to do than the Blythe dolls. So if I could fix her arm there. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so basically I made a rectangle here and another rectangle, and I added some darts up here, and then I, to kind of cinch it in a little bit, I added a little bow here, a little belt. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, so she's wearing a dress that I made, but it's time for her to get her clothes changed. So we're going to open up dolly mail soon and show you some new outfits for her. Next up we have Natalie. She's wearing an outfit I got a while ago from Elite Doll World. I believe I've shown this top, but I don't think I ever have shown these leggings. Aren't they gorgeous? Both of these both the top and the bottoms are from Elite Doll World on Etsy, and super pretty on her. But she has been wearing this outfit for quite a while, so she could also use a little wardrobe change. Alright, so we're going to open up the dolly mail. Hold on. Alright, I really splurged this time. The smart dolls, I feel like they have not gotten enough of my attention. I've been all about Blythe, and I'm still kind of all about Blythe, but I really love the smart dolls, and I thought it was time that I got some cute clothes for them, because I just haven't had time to sew for them like I had planned on it. So first I'm going to open this package. This is from Aliexpress. I had gotten them some tennis shoes a while back, and I really liked them, and they're very inexpensive. I think they were maybe $6 a piece or something, if that. And so I got them some more. There we go. If I can open it. There we go. I'm still looking for some place to get them some cute sandals. So if anybody knows of any place I could get some cute sandals for them, let me know. And yes, I know I could make some for them. It's just, you know, time. And, oh, these are super cute. So I got a pair of this white and the light blue. And that way, everybody, there's two dolls. So, like I said, I had some tennis shoes already, but I wanted a few extra pair. And for the price, I like these. They also, they can stand up in these, so I like that too. Alright, open up the other pair. Just like a light blue, almost a turquoise color. So I thought these were super fun. But yeah, if you know of any place that has some sandals that won't cost me like $100 a pair, I'd love to find out about any vendors you know about shoes, or shoes in general. I want something sporty like tennis shoes, sandals. My smart dolls are fun-loving, sporty, young women, boho-y type chicks, okay, if that makes any sense. So anyway, there's that. So the other thing, and this is a major splurge, I ordered from a Etsy shop called MommySewKR. They are out of Korea, and their stuff comes really pretty quickly compared to, you know, considering where they're coming from. So I had purchased a pair of jean shorts from them right when I got my first doll, and I really liked them, and I've been wanting to buy stuff, so here we go. Here's the first thing. I bought some shoes. These are cute. Okay, so these are going, and again, these are nice and sporty, and they'll be able to stand up in these. Let me open these up here. Oh, they're in like a little Ziploc baggy kind of thing. That's neat. Nice. If you hear thunder in the background, we're getting rain, so how cute. Got a little elastic piece. So look how the inside of that. That's really finished nicely. Very cute. I'm looking forward to seeing how these look on the dolls. Nice. All right, so I got those shoes. Obviously, I'm on a shoe thing. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, that's right. This really cute top. Love what you do. It's got bell sleeves. Let me open it up. Obviously, expect to see a little bit of a fashion show at the end. Oh, wow. How cute. This is like t-shirt fabric. It's got a little hang tag. Very well made. Like I said, I got a pair of jean shorts from her, and I really liked them, so I felt pretty confident in ordering multiple items, which I did. Oh, I like this. So this has kind of a little bit of a textured look to it. Super cute. Yeah, see, very boho-y, cute, hippie-ish, whatever sporty you want to call it. Super cute. That'll look cute with the tennis shoes, too. All right. All right, but yet, there's more. I did order more. Let's see what else. Another pair of shoes. These are in pink. How cute. Let's open them up. Oh, that's right. They come up. Got this little thing at the top. Oop. Again, they're finished inside. Looks like they have like a little bit of maybe elastic. Be interesting to see how these fit on them. Super cute. Very nice. All right, so got a pair. Like, I'll leave those out because I know I'm going to put those on somebody soon. All right, and there's more. This is, I'm not sure. Maybe this is swag, because I don't think I ordered that. Let's look at that later, because I'm not sure what that is. Okay, yes, I ordered a pair of jeans. I already have one pair of jeans that I got from Culture Japan with the first Smart Doll I ordered. I ordered Ella. I call her Ella. I believe she's T-tone skin, and I believe she's resilient. I call her Ella. And I had gotten a pair of Culture jeans, which I love, but, you know, now I have two dolls, so I felt like I needed two pairs of jeans. And even though I do love the Culture Japan items, I felt like for the price, this vendor, MommySewKR, had really good products and good prices. Still not, you know, super cheap, but look how cute. These are nice. They're very soft. This denim's really soft. These are going to look so nice. How cute. Now I have two pairs of jeans for my two girls. Yay. Alright, so we've got that. See how cute this will look with this shirt? And tennis shoes. Or these little pink shoes. Yes. Alrighty, so we've got that. And I did get more. Hold on. I got another shirt. This one says, "You deserve to be happy." This is kind of like a, one of those like baseball type shirts. Again, it's like a t-shirt material, t-shirt fabric, so it's stretchy. Very cute, well made. Obviously they have a serger. I do not have a serger. I don't really think I want a serger, not right now anyway. It's got a tag on the side. Yeah. Really nice quality. Really, really nice quality. Okay. And I think there should be one more. Yeah, we got one more item. I got some more jean shorts. So like I said, I ordered some jean shorts from this same vendor when I first ordered from them for my first Smart Doll. And I wanted an extra pair of jean shorts. I got the distressed. Oh, cute. Super cute. Look at that. Yeah, so this is something, this is just not in my wheelhouse to make something like this. And I thought her prices are pretty decent. considering the quality and the workmanship that's involved. I mean, look, they have this, you know, come on. This is really nice. So there's that. And then let me see what this is. This is some swag here. I'm not sure what it is. Mommy Sewing. It's full of adorable outfits for, what does it say? For Blythe's, Disney animators, and BJDs. Okay, that's right. She does have clothes for Blythe and other dolls. Oops, yeah. I am not sure what this is. Oh, you know what it is? It's like a little tube top. So it's like a, yeah, it's a tube top, I think. I don't think it's a headband. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I guess I'll try it on and see how it fits. But yeah, it's probably a little tube top. That would look really cute on Natalie. You know, nice contrast to her beautiful cocoa skin. But, so yeah, so I've got the shoes, another pair of shoes, tennis shoes that I got from Aliexpress. Where'd the other tennis shoe go? Here we go. I've got a shirt, another shirt, little tube toppy shirt, jeans and long jeans and jean shorts. Woo! All right, so hang out. I will going to dress my dolls and show you what they look like. All right, everybody. Yeah, these dolls are so big. I really have a hard time getting them in camera range. Okay. So let's look at the dolls from a distance, and then I will bring each one closer to the camera so you can see the clothing on them a little closer. But you can see on the left here, I have Natalie. She's wearing the jeans that I got from that vendor, Mommy Sewing. And she's got the Aliexpress tennis shoes on. And then also that little t-shirt came from the same vendor. And she's wearing a beaded necklace I made a while ago. It's like it's a lanyard type necklace that just wraps around her neck. And then on the right here, Ella, she's wearing those pink shoes from Mommy Sewing, and the whole thing, actually, all of that is from the same vendor, the shoes, the shorts, and the top. Again, she has a little beaded necklace on, and so you can just see them from a distance here. I'll take some photographs and put them at the end, and like I said, now I'm going to just kind of zoom in on each doll so you can see a little closer how the clothing fits them. All right, so let's start with Ella. She's got these shoes on, and they just slip on. They slip on and off. You could notice she was able to stand unassisted. I didn't have her telescopic thingy in the back or anything. They're loose. You know, they're not super tight, but they are not coming off. When I shake her, they're not coming off. So, and I think they look really cute and cash. They kind of remind me of, I don't know, kind of a Birkenstock style shoe a little bit. And then she's got these super short shorts on that have been distressed, and I was able to get these on over her undies, so she did not have to go commando, so that's pretty good. And then here's this cute top, and I let's see, I took her head off, but I was able to just take her arms and put them straight up like that, both of her arms, and slide it over her bod, and it was fine. But I did take her head off, just makes it easier, because otherwise, you know, their wigs just come off so easily. And that's how I just popped the necklace on when I had her head off as well. And yeah, so she looks super duper cute. I have her arm behind her back. She's got, I got the thumbs up thing, but I thought it looked cute behind her back, standing there with her BFF Natalie. So anyway, that's Ella. Let's put her back. And then we have Natalie. Again, I took her head off and just raised her arms up over her head to get the shirt on. It's not super tight. It's kind of a little bit on the baggy side, so it was really easy to get on. She also was able to have her undies on underneath these jeans. Here's a good look at the jeans. She got great abs. So that was nice. So these are tight. These are tight, but not crazy skin tight. And I will say, in comparison to the jeans from Culture Japan. Those really difficult to get on over the undies. So I kind of like that these are a little bit looser, but not necessarily baggy. And then she's got her tinnies on. Oh, and I will put in, if I haven't already at this point in the video, that little tube toppy thing. It was a tube top. I put it on her and I took a quick picture, so I'll probably include it at the end just so you can see what it looks like on her. You know, it's nice that they put that in there. I don't know if I'll ever use it. Maybe I'll find some outfit to use that little tube top with. It did fit her really well. But you can see this is super cute, very well made, fits her nicely, definitely has a little boho vibe that I like for a lot of my dolls. And yeah, I don't have them. I guess I have them kind of leaning up against the wall there, but I was able to get them to stand unassisted. Took me a little bit of time, and then of course you just have to be like holding your breath that they don't fall over. But look how cute they look together. Yeah, definitely turned out adorable. I'm glad they got some new clothes. Alright guys, so I will show a few still images at the end of this video. As usual, I also appreciate a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me what you think about these clothes, and in general, your thoughts on Smart Dolls and any of the clothing. And like I said, if you want to hook me up with some good clothing or shoe vendors for them, let me know in the comments. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.